So, old panel, new panel. Okay, we finished stripping, cleaning and rust treatment. Now we're gonna put this thing back together. Starting with trim panels. The annoying thing about this design, you have to take off the bottom bolt first, then you have to put the seatbelt through and then you can put on the panel. The way they used to make cars is put them together. If somebody has to pull them apart, get screwed. And cars today are even worse. Okay. Stay. Okay, so we're putting in the bulkhead, but it's not really permanent, it's for fitting. Just to see how to actually finish the floor. If you design paneling like this, you're not a car designer. You're a masochist. You don't enjoy building things or making them easy. No, you enjoy causing pain. This caused me pain. There. So please, Volkswagen, stop with those damn special bolts and find a better way to actually mount these things.